We're going to do the famous waltz from The Godfather. This is the one made famous by the trumpet solo. All right, here it goes. Okay, now that was so short that I think I can cover the whole thing in one tutorial. And we'll start with, obviously, the right hand. There's not that much going on in the beginning. We have just the melody. We have a 3, 2, 3, 4, like that. Another 3 on D, and then 3, 1. So if I do all that again with counting, it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So just notice that the last note falls in between beats 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3. The next phrase is the same, except the last note is not a B flat, it is an A. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But the rhythm is the same. Okay, let's move on to the next one, which is this. That's 3, 2, 3, 5, 3, 1, 3, 2, sorry, 2, 2, 4, 3. Once you got the notes down, count it out. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But I'm sure that those of you who know this music know it well enough that counting is not even necessary. Moving on, we get this. Okay, so in the right hand we have 2, 1, 2, 4, 3, 1. Like that. The left, we get 5, 4, and 2. Now the second finger connects to the first to E, but the other two fingers stay down. All right, so we have this, connect up, bottom two stay put, lift everything, then we get 5, 4, 1, connect back down to 2. The bottom stays. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. With both hands we get 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, here's where the waltz comes in. So So left hand first. We have this. 5, 3, 2, 1. This is A dominant 7. And we have 2 up top. Like that. And then an A down here, 2 up top again. Moving on. That's 1, 5, 4, 2, 1. Twice, obviously. Next we get, that's B flat with 5 or 4, whatever's more comfortable. 5, 2, 1, twice. Next. So that's 5, 4, 2, 1, G minor, twice. And then this one again. 5 and A. 1, 2, 3. Same one we had before, twice. And then that's 5, 4, 2, twice. The last time you just hold on to it. So, all of that together we get that's it. Okay, so take some time and learn the left hand with a lot of confidence and a lot of security, so you can focus on the right hand, which is this. I want to play with both hands to give you context, but I'll be narrating what happens in the right. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So one more time, that's 1, hold for a bunch. Then we get 2, 3, thumb underneath. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Like that. Then we get another one. And then in quarters, we just go down. 3, 2, 1. Across to C sharp. 3, 2, 3, 4. So let's just learn that for now. We get, with counting, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, so let's do that with both hands, with counting, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3. Notice what aligns, okay? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I added something here, right? So we had this to finish us off. And on the second playing of these two, I add a D. And then a D and F. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And that's it. All right, so in terms of pedaling, you can fiddle around to see what you like, but when the waltz comes in, you can change pedal every time you change the bass note. So this is the bass note, right? Actually, it's here. Right, so wherever you have that pinky changing bass line, that's where the pedal changes too. All right, if you have any questions, leave them below. And I'll see you in the next ones. All right, take care.